up guys, another reaction video, and we're gonna react Pugoy Drilon covers One Day by Matisyahu. Yeah, without further ado, let's start. I'm so excited. By the way, Pugoy Drilon is he won the second place of Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2. Good job, Pugoy. We'll react now. So, without further ado, let's start.
For more performances from Wish 1075, do not forget to click subscribe.
What the hell? Wait. Cut. So, without further ado, let's start. Make us proud, bro. Make us proud, bro. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, nice guitar. Are you kidding me?
Wish 1075.
Oh, reggae.
I think God I'm breathing.
Oh.
I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason.
Oh.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we
Oh my
don't
God.
fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children
This
will
is
play.
insane.
One day, but
This is insane.
One day. It's not about
He sounds like Bob Marley type of voice. Okay, it's like Bob Marley resurrects or God.
Keep on moving though the waters stay raging. In this space you can lose your way. If I drive you crazy,
Whoa, amazing, amazing! Oh my, this is real talent.
sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down.
Oh, yeah.
Down. Negativity surrounds. I know someday it'll all turn around, 'cause all my life
He's also doing the second voice. Are you kidding me? Amazing, amazing! He sings, it's like so easy and it sounds so good. Yeah, one day.
One day I won't change, people the same. Stop with the violence, we're done with the hate.
The hand movement, it's like, this is it. He's feeling it. Oh my God. There's so much soul on his voice. My God, I'm not really expecting this. I'm starstruck at his voice. Whoa! One day, Pugoy Drilon. God. What the reggae music and acoustic guitar
Exclusive.
and amazing voice.
1075.
So that's Pugoy Drilon. My God. Oh my God. Is he having an album? Comment below guys if he has an album. So I want to hear his album. I'm so starstruck at his voice. Congratulations, Pugoy. We are proud of you, bro. So I'm gonna end my reaction video now. I'm damn tired. I'm doing my vlog videos last week, and yeah, and I'm still editing some of my videos. So yeah, again guys, thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, support my channel guys, and see you on my next reaction video soon. Okay, bye for now, and see you.
That we don't wanna fight no more.